Hi guys, Dave Dare, DRC Hobby Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the S132. It's a GPS brushless motor drone that has dual cameras and optical avoidance system. Today we're going to be doing a little test flight outdoors, maybe check out the camera and the quality of the pictures it takes, and also do some return to homes. So enough talking about it, let's get it up in the sky and see what it can do. Thanks for watching. Look at that little thing, how cool. Very nice. We're in GPS mode. Let's give her a whirl. Very cool. Put it in the higher speed. So you just go to the TV. Alright, let's see if we can get a little video going here. Video started. And you can see what it's showing. I'll put it on the screen somewhere at the bottom. It looks good, guys. Back in slow speed so it's better video. A little slow spin here. Slow 360. A little bit shaky, but it's pretty windy today. You can see the trees blowing around there. So doing really well considering it's only a 150 gram drone. Okay. Well, we tested the video. Let's shut that down. Take a couple snapshots. There's one. Let's look at something different here. Maybe turn back the other way. Okay, let's take another one. Two. Okay, let's go out a little further and do a return to home. See what that'll do. Hey, you're going to hit the return to home button. Look at it come back. There it comes. Let's see how close it gets to the landing pad. Nice. Ooh, that's pretty close. Yeah, it's pretty close to coming back to the pad. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. Let's go try another one. Still have video feed way out there. Another snapshot while we're out there. The clouds look really cool. Alright, let's do return to home. Just hitting this button right here. That's it. It does the rest. There it comes. Doing its job. Hopefully we can do 3 of these. I'll do some other tests later. I have a lot to do today. Busy, busy day. Alright. It's not right on target, but it gets you back close enough. Alright, let's go ahead and stop it and go back out for another round. I'll put it back in second gear. Right around the sky right here. Wee-haw. Look at it go, guys. Flies really great. Good range on this drone. That thing way up there. You're out there a little ways. We're going to do another return to home. Here we go. Great range. That's for sure. Return to home has been activated. Hope you guys can see it okay. There it comes. Alright. And don't waste no time coming back down. Look at it. Comes down a little fast there, a little wobbly. That's okay. Okay, we're gonna stop it. We got a visitor. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.